Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy ton on KuCoin. First, ensure you have a verified KuCoin account. This is a crucial initial step for any cryptocurrency transaction. Next, we'll cover the process of depositing funds into your account, preparing you for your first purchase. Finally, I'll guide you through placing a buy order for ton, making the process straightforward and easy to follow. Funding your KuCoin account is simple and offers flexibility. You can deposit fiat currency using options like bank transfers or credit cards, or transfer existing crypto from another wallet. Always check for the most cost-effective method, aiming for fees under 1%. Once your funds are visible in your KuCoin account, you're ready for the next step, finding and buying ton with confidence. Now, let's place your buy order for ton. Head to the spot trading section on KuCoin and search for the ton trading pair, typically ton versus USD. Decide how much ton you wish to purchase, perhaps starting with a small amount like $50. Enter this amount into the order form, review the details, and then confirm your buy order. Your ton will then appear in your KuCoin wallet. After purchasing, consider transferring your ton to a secure, personal crypto wallet for enhanced safety, especially for larger holdings. Always stay informed about market trends and any security updates from KuCoin to protect your investments. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Keeping your assets secure and staying educated are key to successful crypto investing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.